Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me and they asked for me to make a video, but they asked also that I not use their logo, so I'm not going to use the logo. But they wanted to know they're going to do a car wrap between two doors, and they needed some overlap to go between the car doors to have it wrap around the door itself, but the image would still be the same. So we've got a perfect circle right here, and this is only works in Corel X8 and above. When you grab your knife tool, you've got a right here in this cloud, you can either have none or you can have a overlap, and then you can set your overlap. I'm going to set the overlap at 0.5. So we're going to create an overlap. So we're going to take our knife tool and I'm going to draw a line right in the middle or close to the middle for the video. And what that did, that actually separated the two pieces, but it gave it an overlap, and I'm going to show you by right clicking the outline. And if we move this out of the way 0.5 inches, a half of an inch, you can see the overlap. Let's go down. There's what the overlap is. It's a half of an inch. That would wrap around the car door. Most of my viewers are laser engravers, and I don't really know how this could help you in laser engraving, but I thought I'd help this individual. So that's an overlap with the knife tool. Now you can do the same thing, and this would help you if you're an engraver. Let's just back up here. We've got one single object, and there we go. You could also grab the overlap or the tool and have a gap if you wanted to separate those two. So I'm just going to draw a line, and I created a gap of a half of an inch between the two. So I can really see how this could help you in lasering engraving. We could turn that black and make it a little more visible. Let's just check this out with a yellow box to see if it's transparent, and it is. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.